Hey everyone, it's Paula from WTI, and I really want to share this product with you because it works. This is the Hey Honey Open Your Eyes Lifting Eye Serum. So pretty much just as it describes, it lifts your eyes. So I wake up with poofy eyes and like bags underneath, and this thing like helps tighten it. So it has some green tea in it, and it's really fast and lightweight. So it does not burn, because that's always what I think of when I think of, oh, fast acting, like it's probably gonna be something like intense, and it does not. It's a little tip like this. It's just a little bit of cream that you use, and you dab right here in the contours of your eyes, and I feel like within minutes it looked visibly tighter and better. So I'm really happy to get this because I have been doing all kinds of creams and treatments to try to help with how tired I look all the time, and this is just like that jump starter that you need to just look fresher and more awake in the morning. So highly recommend this, and that is just my point of view.